Here is a question that appears regularly in competitive aptitude exams. Pipe A fills a tank in 12 hours. Pipe B empties the same tank in 18 hours. If both pipes are open together, how long will it take to fill the tank? Pause the video and see if you can solve it. If you tried adding the times and got 30 hours, that is not correct. If you average them and got 15 hours, that is also wrong. The trick is that time isn't what combines, rates do. Instead of asking how many hours each pipe takes, we ask how much of the tank does each pipe affect in 1 hour. Let's consider the entire tank to be one unit. Pipe A fills the entire tank in 12 hours. So in 1 hour, it fills 1/12 of the tank. Here is a mindset that makes these questions easy. Never combine the times. Always convert everything into work per unit time first. This idea doesn't just work for pipes, it also works for time and work, machines, and other aptitude problems. Once you are thinking in terms of rates, everything else is just basic fractions. Now let's look at pipe B. It empties the entire tank in 18 hours. So every hour, it removes 1/18th of the tank. Since one pipe fills while the other empties, we subtract the rates. 1/12 minus 1/18. Taking the LCM of 12 and 18 gives us 36. So together, the two pipes fill 1/36 of the tank every hour. If 1 hour fills 1/36 of the tank, then filling the whole tank takes 36 hours. Notice something interesting. Pipe B slows down the filling process, but it doesn't stop it. Pipe A fills faster than pipe B empties. So the tank still fills, but much more slowly. For any similar problem, if one pipe fills in A hours and another empties in B hours, the net filling rate is 1/A minus 1/B. And the required time is simply the reciprocal of that net rate. This one formula solves a huge variety of aptitude questions. Questions like this appear in CAT, XAT, SNAP, CMAT, banking exams, and other placement tests. Remember the key idea. Do not work with hours, work with rates. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.